up on the slope land where the rainwater runs free. We carved out gentle swales along the contour line, you see. They slow it down and soak it in, feed the food forest deep, build the soil, quench the roots, and let the good earth breathe. Wide margins round the ponds, with native plants so green, cattails, bulrushes, iris, a wild living screen. They give the birds and frogs a home, turn runoff into life, from a backyard rain garden to acres free of strife. Oh, the swales and the sediment, the ponds and the marsh so wide, plants pull the nutrients, microbes work the other side. They slow it, clean, sink it down, turn the muddy into clear, from a little backyard system to a sanctuary out here. You can build it small on your own piece of ground, or let it grow real big till the whole slope sings its sound. Clean water journey, flowing back to the earth we love, working with creation, sending blessings from above. Down toward the house we guided to a special sediment canal. Starts at ground and drops 6 feet. Watch the mud settle and fall. We'll scoop that rich dirt later, spread it on the garden beds, turning what was waste around into gold for what we've planted. Then the overflow runs clean into the bioremediation flow. 2 big living canals connecting Pond 3 and Pond 4, islands, peninsulas stretching out to catch the sun and rain. More edge for the pickerel weed and arrowhead again. Oh, the swales and the sediment, the ponds and the marsh so wide, plants pull the nutrients, microbes work the other side. They slow it, clean it, sink it down, turn the murky into clear, from a little backyard system to a sanctuary out here. You can build it small on your own piece of ground, or let it grow real big till the whole slope sings its sound. Clean water journey, flowing back to the earth we love, working with creation, sending blessings from above. Roots oxygenate the zone, exudates feed the tiny crew, bacteria break the organics to nitrify the nitrogen too. Cattails soak up phosphorus, gravel zones grab what's left behind. From the bioremediation canals, the water keeps on winding. Through more ponds and swales it travels, till it reaches number 10. Near the big beaver ponds it sinks and recharges the aquifer again. No pumps, no pipes, just gravity and nature's quiet hand, healing the land one drop at a time across this blessed land. Yeah, the swales and the sediment, the ponds with margins wide, plants and microbes dancing, turning dirty water to pride. Slow it, clean it, build the soil, let the wildlife sing and play. From a single backyard swale to 100-acre getaway. You can start it small, watch it grow real wide. A living water system full of hope and quiet pride. Clean water journey, let the whole world come along. We're healing with the good earth, where we all belong. From the swales on the hillside to the 10th pond down below, let it flow, let it grow, clean water journey.